This is a pine computer desk table that we made here at Rolfe Woodwork. It's sort of out of character to be making something out of pine. I saw some boards of pine at the lumber mill north of here, north of Chicago, and decided to buy these some months ago, and the wood sat around, and finally there was some requests for a lower cost table, and this is it. It's basically 30 inches deep at the top and 46 wide. Now you can put a second monitor on here and leave the base speaker system. You've seen the black box on the left. You can leave that in a different position. This is basically a paint-ready proposition. You can buy some sandpaper and break the edges, sand those down to what you need. I've made the end brace that goes from front leg to back leg. I put a little arch on the bottom side of that just to break those lines up. So we have this available. There is another model I'm thinking to make that is a knockdown. So this thing will ship as basically 3 or 4 flat pieces, make it easier to ship, so we can send it out to LA or New York, wherever you are. The advantage of this design, there's some cross members in the back, as you can see. Now it looks like 3, but there's actually 4. At the very top there's another brace that doubles. There, you can see it there. And this is part of the rigidity of the whole design. Otherwise it would take a lot more expense to come up with something like this. So thanks for taking a look at this. There's plenty of room here. The problem I have with a 40-inch wide tabletop is that if you want to put a book or make notes on the side, there's just not enough room. So this comes basically unfinished. Now for an extra charge, we can double clear coat the top of the table, and the rest of it you can color or clear coat yourself. I find that the drag on the mouse, called mouse drag, is a bit with unfinished wood. So we would want that to glide over there, makes your computer work a little easier. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.